Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Steam install path on your computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the Steam tab up at the top left, and then select Settings. So now on the left side, you want to select Downloads, and where it says Content Libraries, you want to select the Steam library folders right here. And now you see that there's a folder listed here where the default location is. Select Add Library Folder. So at this point, you can go ahead and select the different location you want to save it to. So if you wanted to move this to a different location, you could right click on it and select Remove Library Folder or Make Default Folder. So say you wanted to change the location here, you can go ahead and select Add Library Folder and go ahead and select a new folder, and you can name whatever you want. And go ahead and select the select option. Please note, if your drive already has a Steam library folder, you're going to have to go use an external drive and you'd be able to add it from there. And then you just would right click on it and then select make the default folder. And then once you have another default folder, you actually will be able to remove the current library folder. That's what the present default is, but that you want to remove. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.